Hello friends, for class 6 DAV publication, I have taken today for you my experiments with truth, written by M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Actually, this is his autobiography, and this piece of literature is before you as his experience of life. So let's enjoy the text, and we will know that how Gandhiji led his life with the help of this. My experiments with truth by M.K. Gandhi. Here you have pre-reading task. You can see I am reading for you. To error is human. गलती करना इंसान का काम होता है फ्रेंड्स. All human beings make mistake, but the best of the lot learn from their mistakes and improve. But the person who learns from his mistakes is the better person. Point number 1. Have you ever made any mistake? What did you learn from it? If you have made any mistake, it might have given you some experience. So what was the experience gained by you? What do you do when you find the drawback or weakness? Point number 1. And point number 2 was that what did you learn from it. Point number 3 and sub points are there. Try to improve yourself. When you got the drawbacks or a bitter experience, what did you do? You become irritable or you patiently acted. Point number 2, try to forget it and don't care at all, or you forgot it, or it was a bitter experience and let it go, let bygone be bygones. Or point number 3, try to hide it from others, or when you committed any mistake then you hide it from others. Or point number 4, try to lay the blame on others, जो कि अक्सर हम करते हैं, दूसरों पर दोष लगाते हैं, blame on others. Now see the text. Now read the extract from Gandhiji's autobiography, My Experiments with Truth. Here you find one word, autobiography. Autobiography. Okay, so it has auto and biography. Biography, you know, when we write someone's life, that is biography. When I will write my own life, that will be called autobiography. Now let us read the story. I must have been about 7. Gandhiji is saying that when he was 7-year-old, when I was put into a primary school, and that time he joined primary school, and I well recollect. Here is a word, recollect. Recollect means remember those days, including the names and other particulars of the teachers who taught me. I do not remember having ever told a lie, and he never told a lie in his life, either to my teachers, ना तो शिक्षकों से झूठ बोला, or to my schoolmates. Nowhere he told lie. I used to be very shy, he is saying, and avoided all company. Avoided all company. He was not a gregarious person. He was not a person who had lots of friends. My books, who were his companion, my books and my lessons were my sole companion, best companion, main companion, yes, dear friends. To be at school at the stroke of the hour and to run back home as soon as the school closed, that was my daily habit. He was not lingering here and there, he was not waiting here and there. Okay, and go to paragraph 2. Two incidents belonging to this period have always word is emboldened here, and the meaning is also given here in the footnote. See, held on closely. Two incidents, you need to remember it because questions are coming at the last of the chapter and you have to answer the questions. So what were the incidents? You can see the picture also. Okay, that will give you a hint. Two incidents belonging to this period have always clung to my memory as a rule. I had a distaste, no taste. Okay, I had distaste for my reading beyond my school. Somehow my eyes fell on a book purchased by my father. It was Shravan Pitri Bhakti Nataka. श्रवण पितृभक्ति नाटक, ए प्ले अबाउट श्रवण कुमार की कहानी आप जानते हैं. हियर यू सी श्रवण कुमार फादर, श्रवण कुमार मदर एंड श्रवण कुमार taking them to pilgrimage, like this. I read it with intense interest. Intense meaning is given here, friends. Deep interest. He read Shravan Pitribhakti Nataka. One picture in the book showed Shravan carrying his parents on. Let's go to next page. Pilgrimage. What? तीर्थ यात्रा. As I mentioned earlier also, pilgrimage तीर्थ यात्रा, जैसे हम बाबा धाम जाते हैं और लोग मक्का मदीना जाते हैं, तो वो क्या हो गया? Pilgrimage, right? The book and the picture left an undying impression on my mind. और ये देखो एक सेकेंड पिक्चर है, ये है हरिश्चंद्र नाटक का, तो इस बुक को भी उन्होंने पढ़ा. ठीक है. Here is an example for you to copy. I said to myself. He said to himself. Now I will behave like Shravan Kumar. Another similar play, हरिश्चंद्र, captured my heart. Why should not, आप जानते हैं हरिश्चंद्र के बारे में क्या है कि वो कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलते थे, राजा हरिश्चंद्र. Why should not all, I am reading here, why should not all be truthful like हरिश्चंद्र? तो उन्होंने अपने आप से पूछा क्यों ना हरिश्चंद्र के जैसे सब लोग सत्यवादी होते हैं. This was the question I asked myself day and night. Okay, he wanted to be truthful, to follow truth and to go through the all ordeals. Ordeals means kathin pariksha. Okay, acid test. Harishchandra went through was one ideal. It inspired me. There was another such incident. During the time when I was in the 7th standard, and when he was in 7th standard, जब 7वीं कक्षा में वो थे, Dorabji Jimmy. Here one name is given here, Dorabji Jimmy. The headmaster was very popular among the boys. He was a disciplinarian. Disciplinarian means the person who loved discipline. A man of method and a good teacher. Okay, such headmaster he had in his school. He had made gymnastics and cricket compulsory. Gymnastics, exercise and cricket playing compulsory. And I disliked both. Gandhiji had no interest in playing first. I then had the false notion is a word, इसका हिंदी अर्थ होता है धारणा. उनके मन में एक धारणा था, प्रिंसिपल था, बिलीव था. I had a false notion that gymnastics had nothing to do with education, that gymnastic and exercise had nothing to do with the education. खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे खराब, this type of thinking he had. So पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, ऐसे कुछ सोच उनके मन में थे. Today I know that physical training is as important as mental training, but he is saying that physical training is as important as mental training. और विवेकानंद ने भी कहा है फ्रेंड्स कि हमारे अगल बगल कोई स्कूल हो या ना हो लेकिन प्लेग्राउंड ज़रूर हो. द रीज़न फॉर माई डिसलाइक फॉर जिम्नास्टिक वॉज माई कीन डिज़ायर, बहुत उत्सुक थे वो, टू सर्व एज नर्स टू माई फादर, बिकॉज ही वॉन्टेड टू सेव हिज टाइम फॉर हिज फादर. एज सुन एज द स्कूल क्लोज्ड आई वुड हरी होम एंड begin serving him. So after school he was serving his father. Now it happened that once Saturday I had to go from home to the school for gymnastics at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I had no watch. And the clouds deceived me. Due to cloud he could not got the time. Okay, measurement of time, what was the actual time that time. When I reached the school, all the boys had already left. The next day, on being asked the reason for absence, I told Mr. Jimmy, the headmaster, the disciplinarian teacher, what had happened. He refused to believe me. I was, and here it is suggested, I was, let me indicate you where am I reading. I am reading here. I was convinced here of lying that deeply pained me. How was I to prove my innocence? There was no way. I learned that a man of truth must also be a man of care. If you want to speak truth always, then you must be careful also. Otherwise, there will be situation when you need to tell lie. This was the first and the last example of my carelessness in school. Okay, after that he became careful, as it suggests. See, he is doing gymnastics, his practice, ordeals, painful experience is given here. Now, text further. But there is another neglect for which I am still paying the penalty. I do not know when I got the notion that good handwriting was not necessary part of the education. Now, this part is suggesting that he realized that good handwriting is also necessary for good education. When he went to South Africa and there he saw that people are writing well. I saw the beautiful handwriting of lawyers. और जब वहाँ वकील बनने गए, lawyer बनने गए, he saw beautiful handwriting there. As a young man, I was ashamed. और उनको लज्जा हुई अपने handwriting पे वहाँ पे. I saw that bad handwriting was regarded as a sign of imperfect education. I tried later to improve mine, and he tried to improve handwriting also. Now I am reading next para. There is another incident which I must share. I committed a theft. See, one important thing that Gandhiji committed one small theft also. He is revealing it. He could have hidden it. इसको छिपा सकते थे वो, लेकिन वो इतने सत्यवादी हैं कि हर घटना को अपने बायोग्राफी में बता रहे हैं फ्रेंड्स. I committed a theft when I was 15. What was his age? When he was 15-year-old. I had run into a debt of about 25 rupees. उन्हें 25 रुपये का कोई कर्ज हो गया था और फिर उसको लोन को क्लियर करने के लिए अपने ब्रदर के आर्मलेट से वो सोना काट के बेच देते हैं. सोल्ड द गोल्ड. देखो, आई स्टोल ए बिट ऑफ गोल्ड आउट ऑफ इट एंड द डेप्ट वाज क्लियर, बट दिस बिकम मोर देन आई कुड बियर. बट ही कुड नॉट बियर. उसे बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रहा था. आई रिसोल्व नेवर टू स्टील अगेन एंड दिस सेंस ऑफ गिल्ट reminded him that I should never steal. Now He decided to confess his guilt. See here, it is written, with trembling hands, I handed the confession to my father. Some lines I have left. You must go through line by line. Okay, otherwise this video will be prolonged. Main points I am saying here. He read it, and pearl drops trickled down his cheeks. Pearl drops are here tears, tear drops. Those pearl drops of love cleansed my heart. और रोने के बाद हमारा दिल साफ हो जाता है, वैसे वही एक्सप्रेशन गांधी जी यहाँ दे रहे हैं. एंड वॉश्ड माई शीन अवे, और उनके आंसू ने उसके पाप धो दिए थे. तो वी फाउंड दैट ही एक्सेप्टेड हिज what? He accepted his crime, or you can say mistake. It was not a crime, it was a mistake only. Now, what happened further? Those pearl drops of love cleansed my heart and washed my sin away. A clean confession combined with a promise. उन्होंने क्या किया अपने पापा के पास, फादर के पास? A clean confession. This will be answer of one of the question. Combined with a promise never to commit the sin again. Okay. Purest type of repentance. What is purest type of repentance will be the question also. Repentance here was that. Repentance was here paschatap. Okay, repentance. This incident for me was an object lesson of in अहिंसा, और यहाँ से उनकी अहिंसा का ट्रेनिंग शुरू हुआ. And he learned to practice first time अहिंसा. Now friends, here are some questions. Let us go through. Which two books inspired गांधी जी? तो 2 books मैंने बताया था. श्रवण पितृभक्ति नाटक हम लोग पढ़े, और राजा हरिश्चंद्र का जो बुक था. Number 2, pick out the extract, piece of literature, piece of prose from the text which tells that गांधी जी was punctual. कैसे कह सकते हो गांधी जी पंक्चुअल थे, ये आपको ढूंढ के लिखना है. Why did गांधी जी dislike games and gymnastics? उन्हें क्यों पसंद नहीं था? And after school he used to serve his father also. 4th number, what made गांधी जी feel ashamed of himself? Handwriting part in South Africa. Why did गांधी जी steal gold फ्रॉम हिज ब्रदर्स आमलेट? तो आपने को पता है कि उन्हें कर्ज हो गया था कुछ 25 रुपये का, और उस कर्ज को देने के लिए उन्होंने वो आमलेट बेचा था. तो आमलेट बेचने के बाद उनका वो 25 रुपये का कर्ज दूर हुआ था. वाई डिड ही कन्फेस हिज गिल्ट टू हिज फादर? हाउ डिड ही मेक द कन्फेशन? उन्होंने क्या किया, एक लेटर लिखा और कन्फेशन लेटर लिख करके अपने फादर को बताया. लास्ट वन, वाट अकॉर्डिंग टू गांधी जी इज़ द प्योरेस्ट टाइप ऑफ रिपेंटेंस? सबसे प्योरेस्ट टाइप ऑफ रिपेंटेंस क्या है, हम लोग अभी भी लास्ट में पढ़े हैं. सबसे प्योरेस्ट टाइप ऑफ रिपेंटेंस क्या होता है? क्लियर कन्फेशन कंबाइंड विद, देखो ये पार्ट जो है, एक ये पार्ट क्लियर कन्फेशन वाला आप लिखेंगे इसमें. ओके, तो दिस वाज द थिंग. नाउ होट्स. नंबर ए, एक्सप्लेन. ही हु इज़ ट्रूथफुल विल डू नो इविल. जो सच्चा व्यक्ति होता है वो कभी भी कोई बुराई नहीं करेगा. नंबर बी, कन्फेसिंग वंस मिस्टेक टू वंस पेरेंट नीड्स ग्रेट मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ. आपने कुछ गलती किया और उसको माँ बाप को बताने के लिए मानसिक शक्ति चाहिए. वुड यू डिस्क्राइब गांधी जी एज ए ब्रेव बॉय? क्या आप गांधी जी को ब्रेव बॉय कहेंगे? ऑफकोर्स कहेंगे, बिकॉज टू टेल द ट्रूथ वी नीड करेज. फिर लाइफ स्किल में बोला है, फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग इज एज इंपॉर्टेंट एज मेंटल ट्रेनिंग. गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डिस्कस विद योर पार्टनर. एंड देन वैल्यू बेस्ड में है कि एवरी इंसिडेंट ऑफ गांधी जी लाइफ टॉट हिम समथिंग. गांधी जी के जीवन का हर घटना उनको कुछ ना कुछ सिखाया. तो गिवन बिलो आर सम इंसिडेंट्स. यहाँ पे कुछ इंसिडेंट्स दिखाए गए फ्रेंड्स. जैसे इंसिडेंट नंबर 1, ही शॉ द पिक्चर ऑफ श्रवण कैरिंग हिज पेरेंट्स पिलग्रिमेज. तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने क्या वैल्यू सीखा उससे. और फिर ही नेक्स्ट है कि ही रेड द प्ले हरिश्चंद्र. दूसरा पॉइंट है कि ही रेड द प्ले हरिश्चंद्र, उससे उनको क्या वैल्यू मिला. तीसरा है कि हिज हेड मास्टर कन्विंस्ड हिम ऑफ लाइंग, ही शुड नॉट टेल लाई. देन व्हाट वाज द वैल्यू? ही ऑब्जर्व्ड द गुड हैंड राइटिंग. Then what value he learned? And he has told gold. After that, what value he learned? Like this. B number, we become the books. We become the books we read. जैसी बुक्स हम पढ़ते हैं वैसा हम बन जाते हैं. How far is reading good books इंस्ट्रूमेंटल इन बिल्डिंग गुड कैरेक्टर? देखो, जो भी जिस माहौल में आप रहेंगे, चाहे वो बुक्स के माध्यम से हो या व्यक्तियों के माध्यम से हो, जैसी कंपनी में रहेंगे आप वैसे बनेंगे. बुक्स में अच्छी बातें होगी तो आप अच्छे बनेंगे. राइटिंग स्किल्स. द चैप्टर माई एक्सपेरिमेंट विद ट्रूथ इज़ अ कलेक्शन ऑफ गांधी जीज रियल लाइफ इंसिडेंट्स. सच्चे जीवन की घटनाएं हैं. एंड एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ स्कूल विच टॉट हिम व्हाट वन शुड और शुड नॉट डू एट स्कूल. लिस्ट एट लीस्ट 5 थिंग्स. तो यहाँ बताएंगे एज ए स्टूडेंट उन्होंने क्या सीखा, एज ए यंग लॉयर उन्होंने क्या सीखा है ना, एज ए सन उन्होंने क्या सीखा, स्टूडेंट व्हाट ए स्टूडेंट शुड डू, व्हाट ए स्टूडेंट शुड नॉट डू. विल राइट हियर. गांधी जीज फादर एक्सपीरियंसेस मिक्स्ड फीलिंग्स फॉर हिज सन ऑन रिसीविंग द कन्फेशन नोट. एक तो उनको गुस्सा भी आता है उनके पापा को जब उन्होंने ये जाना कि उन्होंने चोरी की है. ही पेन्स डाउन हिज फीलिंग्स. अब मान लो, इमेजिन करो कि वो भी अपनी फीलिंग लिखते हैं गांधी जी के पापा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए डायरी एंट्री. तो इमेजिन योर सेल्फ टू बी इन प्लेस ऑफ हिज फादर, हिज पापा. राइट ए डायरी एंट्री इन अबाउट 80 to 100 words. इसको आप होमवर्क में बना करके मुझे भेज देना, या कमेंट बॉक्स में आप दे देना, या फिर मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे भेज देना. इसमें आपको क्या करना है, डायरी एंट्री करना है. डायरी एंट्री करके आप भेजेंगे। और नेक्स्ट वन इज़ अबाउट ऑथर, यू कैन सी द पिक्चर ऑफ गांधी जी एंड देन शॉर्ट लाइफ इज रिटन हियर। थैंक यू, enjoy reading, watch again and send me answers.